Look at this. This is Nile tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a silver raspora fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Goodbye!
Yeah!